this is the beautiful wig that we're going to be installing today from Unice Hair. This is a 24-inch 150 density water wave pre-everything wig. So it comes with pre-cut lace in the front. They also pre-bleach the knots for you, as you can see under here. And it also comes with ear tapes, which helps keep the wig down on the sides. But I'll show you that a little bit later. And then this is just a close-up of the cut lace. The wig is on a dome cap that looks like this. And this is just a close-up of those beautiful pre-bleached knots, which is amazing. And then also the wig comes with this non-slip grip around the sides, the silicone grip, as well as the adjustable straps. So if you want to see how I install this wig, then you got to keep on watching. Alright y'all, so jumping into the video, I am taking my cream makeup that I have here from Ruby Kisses, and I'm just going to color my wig cap. Even though this is a frontal wig, I didn't want to do like the wig cap method or anything because I didn't feel like it was necessary with this type of install. It's a glueless wig, and I've done my wig cap just like this before underneath it, and it was just fine. And also I feel like the wig cap method is very damaging to your edges and stuff, especially if you don't know how to do it right. You're not a professional like me, because I'm not a professional. So, you know, I just stay away from that as much as I can. I feel like my installs come out a lot better when I don't do that. I'm just gonna take the leftover whatever is on this brush, and I'm just gonna run it along just the inside, along the front of the wig, not where this adhesive is or anything, but just along here, just to color it, because towards the tip it's always like super bright or whatever. So I'm just gonna rub a little bit on there. And now, since I will have to be putting like adhesive onto my actual skin, I'm just gonna clean the area around my perimeter of my edges here, just to make sure the tape can stick. Okay, so normally I would use like rubbing alcohol or something to do it, but I can't find it, so I'm just gonna use water and a little Q-tip. Probably should use a little cotton round, but can't find that either. So you know what, Q-tip gonna have to do. So the wig also came with this adjustable strap separately, so I'm actually gonna attach that because I actually like adjustable straps. This is the non-slip grip strap here. I'm just gonna make it a little tighter like this, and then put it on the wig. I feel like it helps the wigs hold a little bit better. Now I'm gonna put the wig on. Okay, all right, so just sliding the wig on my head. This is just what the curls look like fresh out the box. Did absolutely nothing to it whatsoever. And it's cute, but you know we're gonna fix this. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do now is just lay down these sides. So be careful about peeling off this blue tape, because you wanna make sure you don't peel off like the whole thing, because it will come. And now I'm just gonna pull it forward as far as I can to make sure it gets like on my skin. And then I am pressing and holding like this. Sing a little song or something. Do a little dance while you press and hold. Okay. All right. It really don't take all that much, honestly. It's not that deep, and you can see it's sticking. We all know about my hairline, but pretend I had a normal hairline and all this and this wasn't right there. It would look pretty good. Like, look at that. Peel that back. And then pull it forward. And hold. 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 All right. And it feels kind of tight. Like, it feels secure, but it's also not pulling at my hairline or anything. Not pulling at any loose hairs or whatever. So I love that for me. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take some small scissors like this and cut off just like the extra little lace around here. Now again, not everybody will have to do this because not everybody has a weird hairline. Okay, so far this is what it is looking like, and it's looking really good. All right, so next I'm going to define the curls a little bit. I'm going to wet it first and then let it dry naturally, just so I can define these little waves a little bit better. So I'm just taking my water here. I'm just distributing the water through my hair, and then I'm just taking a little bit of mousse by Fuji and my little brush, this kind of brush here, and just brushing through the curls.
Through the waves.
I'm going to scrunch it like this. I feel like this lets you see the true wave pattern of the hair. All right, so from brushing through this hair, this is all of the shedding that I got. It's like this. This is from both sides combined. So, I mean, considering it's like a wavy texture, it's kind of to be expected. When I comb through it again, I'm not really getting too much shedding. I got like a little bit this time. So I think there are just some strands, some loose strands in here that need to be brushed out. But I am gonna sit and let this dry. And so while I wait for my hair to dry, I'm gonna work on the rest of this. So as you see here, my little edges come down a little too far for this wig. So I'm gonna put some baby hairs right here. For so many reasons. Hey, all right, so now I'm gonna go and just like define the parting space in the wig. And I'm taking my free spray and my wax stick and just going along the parting. Alright, I'm gonna take this off. Woo! Sheesh. So it's already looking pretty good. Looking pretty good if I do say so myself. I just want to go around the perimeter of my edges with some of my cream makeup to just blend it a little bit better. Alright, so now I'm just going to define the part using my Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer by NYX in the color Warm Honey. Bow. Bow. Ta-da. Watch out now. It's the little one coming and it's not bow wow. And then lastly, I'm just spraying some Gloss Therapy Polisher Spray from a Fuji on here to make the little curls shine, to make it shine. And I kind of go kind of heavy with this when it comes to curly hair. Straight hair, I will go very light-handed, but curly and wavy hair, I kind of spray as much as I feel like I need. It's a lot of hair. And there we go. All right, but overall, this wig was really, really simple to install. And it's really cute. Like, look at this curls. I love, I did diffuse the curls with my blow dryer off camera. I actually re-wet it because the first time I wet it and brushed through it, it was kind of looking a little scraggly. Like, I don't know, the way it was drying, it was looking not nice. So I re-sprayed it, I re-brushed it, and I made sure to, like, when I scrunched it, scrunch everything together instead of, you know, like loose. And then I also diffuse it together, which makes the curls look more, the waves look more cohesive like this. So I think that's important, or else it'll come out looking dry. So I also want to spray these ends here after I just cut it. But this is the finished look, and I think it looks nice. Here's the back. And what I like most is if you want to flip it over to the side, oof, you absolutely can. Flip it over to the other side. Like, because honestly, I probably may wear it as a flip over like this. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. All the information for this hair, of course, will be in the description box below. And that is it. Adios till next time.